Want to save time and boost engagement by sending targeted emails automatically from HubSpot? Today, I'll show you step by step exactly how to create automated emails and add them to your workflows, so every lead or customer gets the right message at the right moment. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be setting up hands-free email outreach like a pro, ready to nurture your audience without manual effort. Let's dive right in. First up, we need to actually create that automated email. Inside your HubSpot account, head to the top navigation and select Marketing, then Email. This is like your central command center for all things email related. Once you're on that page, look up to the top right corner and hit Create Email. Now, here's where it gets key. On the right panel that pops up, make sure to choose Automated as your sending method. HubSpot separates automated emails from regular campaign emails, so this step sets your email up to be used in workflows and sequences later. Next, you'll see the template selection screen. Think of templates like the blueprint for your message. They can save time and help keep your branding consistent. Browse through the options, and when you find one that fits your needs, for example, maybe a follow-up, a thank you, or a notification, click Choose Template. You're now in the email editor where you can really make this email your own. Fill in your subject line and compose your email body. Try to write clearly, keep your tone friendly, and tailor your message to the audience you'll be reaching. If you want, personalize with contact tokens, images, buttons, or your brand colors. Take a moment to configure settings like the From address or the preview text. When you're happy with what you've built, click Review and Publish. HubSpot will let you know if you missed anything or if something needs tweaking, maybe a missing subject or a required footer. Don't worry if you see any alerts, just resolve them. Once everything looks good, hit Publish. This officially saves your email and makes it available for automation in workflows, like putting a finished letter in a mailbox, ready to send when triggered. Now for step 2, connecting your new email to a workflow. This is what lets HubSpot send that email automatically, at exactly the right time. Navigate to Automation, then Workflows. Think of workflows as a series of dominoes where one event triggers another. You can open an existing workflow if you're already nurturing leads, or simply create a new one if you're starting fresh. In the workflow editor, look for the plus icon and click to add a new action. On the left panel, find the Communications section and select Send Email. This is the action that'll deliver your automated message. In the Automated Email dropdown, select the email you created earlier. If you don't see it, double-check that you published it in the first step. This tells HubSpot exactly which email to send when the conditions of your workflow are met. At this point, you can configure additional actions or delays if you want. Maybe you want the email to send right away, or perhaps after a one-day pause. It's totally up to your business logic or marketing strategy. When you're satisfied with your workflow sequence, make sure to turn the workflow on. That's it. The automation goes live, and your email will start sending automatically according to the criteria you set. If anything feels daunting, take it slow. You can preview and test each part before going live. Once you've got this down, you'll wonder how you ever managed manual emailing. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step digital marketing guides. If you have any questions about HubSpot workflows or automation, drop a comment below. I check them regularly and I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching.